Alright, ladies and gentlemen, end of day market overview on this lovely Tuesday. We want to talk about 6 positions we have in the Forex market and another 3 positions we have in the cryptocurrency market. Let's talk about, well, we've talked about the pound Japanese yen in one of the videos today. Go ahead, check that out if you didn't already. We're waiting to double up or double down, like I said in that video today. We're going to keep this as is for now, 5K. We got a bigger size position on the New Zealand Japanese yen. It's actually 25, another 10 in a different account. But this one's getting bigger and it looks good. Looks sharp. Broke that 83, 87 on the weekly scale. Also looks pretty good, just as the pound Japanese yen, right? We kind of digged our fingers in the pound US dollar yesterday. Started off, you know, with a 10K. Huge upset on the attempt to break 21.06. However, it doesn't mean that it's the end of it, right? I think it's maybe a temporary halt in this case, and price action will probably engage again. We're keeping the position alive, right? 10K. We're actually in a tiny profit right now on this one. Nothing to write home about. So that's where we are with these. 1, 2, 3 positions. Let's go to the 4th one, Euro Pound. Even though it looks like it's breaking 84.31, which, by the way, we have a complete setup for that breakout. If you go to the market watch list, you'll see that that conviction right there, ready. But we doubt that it's a real breakout. That's the problem, right? We doubt that because price could close on the weekly bar right on top of that level. Spiked it. Also spiked 84.46. So we're thinking this might be just a false breakout. We're having a relatively small size position, 10K, nothing fancy, with a tight stop. So we definitely expect price to come back down, cross back below 84.31, or at the very least don't cross above 84.46, because if it does, then of course our stop loss level is going to be jeopardized, and we might even get out manually without being stopped out, right? Just because it crossed above those 2 levels. But we definitely want to keep it to the weekly close. Hopefully we can do that, so we'll see how it goes. For now, it's really trading around break even. It's tiny loss right now. Dollar Canadian, we took some profit here already, but now we took a hit with the remaining of the position. Having said that, I don't think that's the end of it. Although price action seems to be crossing below 28.80, what I want to advise here is keep your eyes on the weekly chart rather than the daily. I think the weekly will begin to slowly pull back up, and by the end of the week it will remain above 28.80. We'll close the weekly bar above that level, and will probably start to turn back up and begin to hammer upwards, right? Last one, Euro versus the New Zealand the New Zealand dollar, of course. We got here a situation where price action did land kind of aggressively yesterday. However, we're not done with this one as well. We feel that this might be just a temporary technical correction, because we can clearly see that 62.20 here is pushing against price action successfully even this week, not to mention it did that successfully last week and the week before. We will respect our stop loss level, though. We're not gonna make any modifications to the stop loss level. So it will stay at 61.60 for now, and that's pretty much all we have to say about the Forex market. I want to take you now to the cryptocurrency market, where we have 3 active positions. We talked about the Ethereum today, but we haven't talked about the 3 active positions we have, right? So let's go right ahead and do that. Ripple, looking good, looking solid, turning around off that 36.66 and keep building up some positive momentum. Obviously today is a little bit on the back foot, but we'll see how it goes. $30,000 position. Monero looks good, right? We kept pounding this one with another trade and another one, and right now 15K, and we're ready to increase the position size, to be honest, but we will give it one more day just to be on the safe side. Then last but not least, Bitcoin Cash, also nice, very nicely turned around here on that 134.43, and now it's marching forward. We got $20,000 position in place and a very ambitious target, I have to say, at 200.75. That's pretty much that. That's what I had to say for the day today, guys. Enjoy the rest of it. We're gonna be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.